I thought turning 30 meant I was finally smart enough to spot a trap. I was wrong. And I almost walked straight into it.
The arcade trap. After turning 30, I decided to give dating apps another shot. This time, I downloaded Hinge. I matched with a girl named Rebecca. Her profile looked real, photos with friends, videos, normal stuff. We talked. She seemed cool. So I asked her out. She replied hours later, around 1 a.m., and agreed. Then, silence. For 4 days. 30 minutes before the date, I got a text. On my way. I arrived at the bar. It was dead. Friday night, and only 2 cars in the parking lot. That was already strange. Then, another text came in. My car broke down. Behind the bar, there was nothing there. Just dumpsters and dark woods. That made no sense. I called her, straight to voicemail. Then another message appeared. Please come help me. 3. That's when I trusted my gut. I replied, this doesn't feel right. I'm leaving. 3. As I started driving away, 2 men in ski masks ran out from behind the building, straight toward my car. I hit the gas immediately and sped off. 3. Later, when I finally stopped, I noticed a dent in my trunk, like something heavy had been thrown at my car. 3. And that's when it hit me. If I had gone behind that building, I don't think I'd be here telling this story.
If you want more stories like this, subscribe to Mr. Dread, because the next one might be about you.